Hey everyone, my name is Priyanshu Gupta and I am second year PGDM student at Sparsh Global Business School. I would like to share my most transformational business simulation journey and which I experienced in the IBS simulation. This simulation brings various decision making abilities. We have planned and analyzed the pricing methodologies, production planning, quality management, investment decisions in the simulation, through which we have bring our company to the most profitable company by competing with our own batchmates and seeking the guidance from our faculties, who was Professor Mr. Ashok Ullal sir, who was German professor. This was very grateful for us and was really brainstorming session. And I would like to thank Sparsh Global Business School for this opportunity.